We're on the record in cause number 325064, the state of Texas versus Jamar W. Marks. Mr. Marks, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. Marks, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may put your hand down. How you doing, Mr. Marks?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, Mr. Marks, I have a motion to revoke your probation. Now, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option? Yeah, I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
And number two, Mr. Marks, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
And number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in the worst outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If you want to hire an attorney, your case will be reset. Or if you have already hired an attorney, please tell the court that you have hired an attorney and tell the court the attorney's name. Your case will be reset and that attorney will be contacted with the reset date. Or if you want to apply for a court-appointed counsel, let the court know that you would like to apply for a court-appointed attorney, and you will be required to fill out a financial questionnaire. Or if you have already been appointed a court-appointed attorney, please inform the court the name of that attorney. That attorney will be contacted and your case will be reset. Or if you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, please tell the court that that's the option you would like to take. Now, Mr. Marks, do you desire to hire an attorney, see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, or would you like to waive your right and to represent yourself?
Wait.
I can't hear you.
Yes, sir. I want to represent myself.
Okay. Now, Mr. Marks, I will read to you the waiver that is located in State's Exhibit Number 1. It says, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed to me free of charge, if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney. Before I give up these enumerated rights, it is my decision to represent myself, and I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. And Mr. Marks, is that your desire?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Marks, I'm going to get off of the Zoom and allow you to talk to the